Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a comet fish. Look at this. It is a koki fish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Bye, have a great time.
Look at this. It is a koi fish. Look at this. It is a pomfret fish.
Aha!
Look at this. It is a red devil fish.
Little lamb, Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Aha!
And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And
Look at this.
everywhere
It
that
is a comet
Mary
fish.
went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children
Look at
laugh
this.
and play,
It is a
laugh and
pomfret
play,
fish.
laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Bye bye.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out.
Look at
And
this.
so the
It is a
teacher
koi
turned
fish.
it out, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about, patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Goodbye.
Why does the lamb love Mary so?
Look at this. It is a koki fish.
Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried.
Okay.
Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know.
Oh, no.
Mary loves the lamb, you know, the teacher did reply.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Look at this. It is a pomfret fish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Okay.
Look at this. It is a comet fish.
Good job.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Bye bye.
Look at this. It is a common fish.
Goodbye.
Okay.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went,
Look at this.
Mary
It is a goldfish.
Mary went, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Look at this. It is a lobster.
School one day, school one day, he followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school.
Whoa.
So the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out, and so the teacher
Look at this. It is a common fish.
and waited patiently about,
Yummy, yummy.
patiently about, and waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Yummy, yummy.
Why does the lamb love Mary so? Mary so, Mary so.
Good job.
Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried.
Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Lamb, you know why Mary loves the lamb, you know the
Good job.
teacher did reply.
Look at this. It is a lobster.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.
Oh no.
Bye. Du-du-du.
Look at this. It is a jaguar cichlid fish.
Oh no. Whoa!
Look at this. It is a common fish.
Bye, have a great time.
Look at this. It is a goldfish.
Goodbye. Bye.
Look at this. It is a koi fish.
Bye-bye. Good job.
Oh no.